Before updating your Oral-B IO series firmware, take a few minutes to prepare properly. Start by installing the latest version of the Oral-B app from the App Store or Google Play. Make sure your toothbrush has at least 50% battery to prevent shutdown during installation. Connect your phone to a stable Wi-Fi network and turn on Bluetooth so the app can communicate with the brush without interruption. Once ready, open the app and confirm your toothbrush is connected. Go to Settings, select your toothbrush, and check for firmware updates. If an update is available, place the toothbrush on its charging base before starting. This ensures steady power throughout the process. Tap Update and allow the app to download and install the firmware. The update usually takes around 8 to 12 minutes. Avoid moving the brush or turning off Bluetooth during this time. When finished, the toothbrush will restart automatically and confirm the update. If anything fails, the system typically rolls back to the previous stable version.